So here's what's going on. We got this Jeep that my dad's had his eye on for how many years? What, like
at least 20 years.
It's been sitting in a guy's yard that my dad's done some work with. So
It's Miss Pants.
the Jeej.
Hello, Miss Pants. I found this Jeep 20 years ago. Been keeping my eye on it. We were able to score this thing. It's a 1955 CJ5.
See, and this is crazy because we've done a couple flatties now.
Yeah.
I've been trying to visualize what the next fun project would be, and in my mind, I was honestly thinking it would be fun to do an old pre-71, what is it? Pre-71 is the short hood.
and back.
So a pre-71 CJ5 has been like on my mind, and all of a sudden Dad comes out of the woodwork saying, guess what? John's ready to sell this thing. So it just worked out perfectly. I mean, this is fun. This is gonna be a really cool project.
Yeah.
I don't think the CJ5s get enough love in the world. The flatties kind of steal the show a lot of the time.
Agreed. We're going to be true to its heritage. We're not gonna freak it out and put big mud tires on it. We're gonna keep it
Classic.
classic,
Yeah, timeless.
classic and timeless.
With exception of a couple just really cool tweaks, like
we have to do
the gas can on the back. We'll
have to do our gas can.
a couple little like military
tire
homage.
touches.
What do you call that?
Yes, homage
pay
to
homage.
military.
We actually did that on the last flatty on that CJ3A we did.
We center the back tire, the spare tire, and a gas tank on the back, and it just looks excellent.
Yeah,
and that's military style.
Right, because technically it would have the spare tire on the side with the tailgate on the back. So we're gonna figure out a way to get the gas can and the spare tire and maybe keep the tailgate, because that's kind of a cool look too.
Yes, I'm gonna take the hit for that. I know some purists will say, how could you? The tire should be on the side. Parker wants it on the side.
No, I don't anymore.
Don't you?
I've converted.
Nice.
I really like the look of it. I don't want to call myself a purist, but I'm always about bringing it back to original condition, right off the showroom floor type look. But,
Me too.
But at the same time, this is a Jeep that we need to love and want to drive. And
I think this is a keeper. I think we'll keep this one in the family. And so we want it how we like it.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is.
What? Is it out?
Yeah, it's not out.
Oh, yeah, it's in the garage.
Open.
Yeah. I love it.
Look at that
It's got
Willys
the roll bar in
tailgate.
it.
That just gives me
Oh,
fuzzies
man.
everywhere.
You're making our day right now. It's good to see you.
Good to see you.
Woo!
Oh, look at that thing.
Oh yes, I see what you're saying with the seats.
Yeah.
So it
the
goes.
3/4 split.
Yeah.
That's really rare.
That's
Let me
good
get-
looking. It's got the original wheels on it too.
Yes.
Oh, you're kidding me.
Isn't that awesome?
Dreams coming true.
When we talk 1970 or older CJ5, this is where it's shorter, right here. This hood is full 4 inches shorter than any newer CJ5, and that panel right here, the fender would be up, and it would be 4 inches longer, and this hood would be 4 inches longer. So this thing is
I love that old school logo too.
Isn't that
You can just
beautiful?
picture that little Willie. What do they call him? The little cartoon character?
Yeah, Eugene the Jeep.
Yeah, Eugene. Oh yeah.
John's done some good work.
So yeah, you've been doing some work in here. What have you done to it?
Put a new clutch in it, rebuilt the starter, converted it to 12 volt.
Yeah, this would have been. You did that?
Yeah.
So are the lights
Put that-
converted?
Yeah.
Really?
It's all 12 volt.
Oh man.
Beautiful, John.
Put up the pin loose wiring line. So you don't have to stick it in.
Trying.
I wonder if we should go get gas.
I remember thinking it was going to be a lot more of a project, but
Yeah.
that thing's complete. And like what I'm most excited about is how unmessed with it is. Like
Yes.
there's nothing cut out of the body.
No.
All the gauges are there. The
There's zero rust.
original
Did you notice
wheels.
that?
Yeah, no rust. We're going to go grab some more fuel
And some
and starter fluid, and we may have to. Should we pick up his ignition switch while we're out? Or
No. All I want to do is get
Just to get it running?
I just want to get it running. I'll drive it home, and then until I get these houses that I'm doing done, I can't even work on it. So
Yeah.
I just want to get it into our storage unit, and then we'll
That's the goal for today. Bring it home.
bring it home.
Bring Lil Blue home.
Little Blue. If we get it running, we'll stop here and fill it up. And as it was.
Some throttle.
Crap. It fired there for a second.
All right, this is not how we planned it originally, but we're gonna tow this baby home. Couldn't keep it running. I think we had some old gas in the tank. We need to freshen it up. So let's see here. Which way should I go? Guess I'm going this way. We're cruising. Woohoo! Brake, brake. We're really relying on the brakes of a 50, 60-year-old Jeep. Here we go. We're heading into the canyon. This is it. Just need to brake in a little. I think that was the best tow job we've ever done.
I think you're right.
That was pretty
awesome.
slick. Woo-hoo-hoo. We did it.
We did it. I really think with just a minimum, this thing's gonna be up and running.
Yeah,
I don't think we have a big deal.
it's ready to roll.
Yeah.
We decided to meet the girlies on the way up to get some lunch. Hey, buddy. Is that my bud? Come here. Oh, he wants the papa, of course. Did you see it over there?
No, you can't see it.
It's pretty cool.
It's not running.
Well, it kept starting, but we think we mixed in some good gas with bad gas. They're gonna have to just drain the tank and put good gas in it because it tried to run.
It actually sounded really good. Oh, you guys look good in there. Wesley, are you gonna drive it?
Wait, but let's keep it at our house. Totally don't want it. Can we get rid of that?
No, we're keeping the skull shifter.
That is so funny.
love it.
Wesley, do you love it? You wanna go for rides?
I want to.
It's recording.
Body farms do their job.
It's hard.
We hold this for me.
Wait, not yet.
Wesley, are you steering?
Okay, don't go yet.
You're not gonna be able to steer this. Rolling.
Okay, okay.
Real hard. Real power steering.
Woo!
Yeah! Nicely done.
Nailed it.
I love it.
Let's wait till we get it all cleaned up. That is a little heater for the back seat. You open that, it heats the kids.
That's so fun. I needed that at night.
It doesn't have a top.
No top yet.
It'll be a summer vehicle.
We might not top it.
Oh, the windshield test.
Yeah.
I see something that goes to it.
It's fun. I'm really excited.
Oh.
I know I would be this excited, but I'm pretty
That is
She's a Jeeper girl. There it goes. All right, well that's phase one. This is the first of many videos that have to do with that Jeep. We'll be doing a lot of projects, fixing little things here and there. First job will be to get it running, but anyway, that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Everyone say bye.
Bye.
Bye.